Hello everybody, thanks for watching the video. So in this video we are going to discuss about creating a cell in WebSphere application server or in WebSphere portal. So we are going to discuss in this unit defining a cell, use cell terminology, create a node and explain what is an application server, create a deployment manager, work with the deployment manager. So a cell is a logical grouping of WebSphere application server instances into a single management entity. So it's a logical grouping of servers. So a cell consists of the following items: a deployment manager, a node and an application server. So a deployment manager, as we all know, that it's a vast instance. It is responsible for the administrative functions of a cell, like it provides the runtime for clustering, it provides the runtime for high availability scaling and failover session management, etc. And node, a WebSphere application server, it's a WebSphere application server responsible for synchronizing server configurations with the deployment manager. That is the role of a node. And application server, the application server performs the actual work that is associated with the business purpose of the cell, so which is nothing but your server JVM, which provides your business support for your user or client requests. The architecture consists of a cell definition includes a logical grouping of WebSphere server instances and a central point of administration for two or more servers. And in the figure you can see a deployment manager is having two node agents, and each of the node agent is talking to multiple application servers. So that is how a typical cell looks like. A typical cell must contain a node agent, a deployment manager and a set of application servers, at least one. So how to create a cell? Installing network deployment manager begins with installing WAS. So you define a profile that is based on the deployment manager profile template. Means choose the deployment manager profile template and create a deployment manager profile, and the cell is named during your profile creation. The deployment manager runs as a primary system application which is using its WAS integrated solutions console. For more details on WAS integrated solutions console, watch my other videos. So far we have installed WAS, we have created a DMGR profile, and your DMGR profile is up and running with a WAS admin console or integrated solutions console. Now the deployment manager includes the following features: a WebSphere instance that runs the ISA application, security configuration for all cell members, a master copy of applications for all cell members and configurations of a cell members, and configuration management as for cell members, including support for synchronization of configuration repository with the nodes. These are all the features a cell is providing, a deployment manager is providing. So creating a node begins with also installing application server. After you install application server, this task is usually done as a part of WebSphere portal server installation. No node agent is defined during the installation process. The node agent runs as a primary system application that is called file transfer application. So which means node agent's job is simply file transfer. A node agent is defined in the following scenarios: creation of a custom profile, creation of a new standalone WebSphere 8 profile, or federation of an existing profile. In all these scenarios, a node agent will be generated. More than one node agent can run in the same partition or a physical or virtual server. The post installation of standalone portal has no node agent, generally considered to be a self-contained node or an unmanaged node. Remember guys, the standalone installation generally considered to be as a self-contained node or an unmanaged node. Unless you federate it, you will not get a node agent. Examining the servers. Application servers are responsible for business purpose of the portal. The WebSphere instances runs business applications and WebSphere portal and responds to user requests. A profile contains configuration data of WebSphere instances. You can use profile management tool to manage profiles, or profile management tool to divide templates for creating profiles into two categories: application server profiles templates and WebSphere portal server profile templates. So the application server will contain a cell, and these are the profile types the application server contains: cell profile, management profile, application server profile, custom profile, secure proxy profile. A cell profile generally is nothing but a deployment manager and a federated server. Together we will call it as a cell profile, which comes with one application server, one node agent, and one deployment manager, and that is called cell profile. A management profile is something when you try to create a deployment manager profile, you have to choose this option. When you try to create a standalone application server profile, you have to choose the profile type as application server profile. When you want to create an empty node that can be federated later, but it does not actually contain application server, you have to choose custom profile. Secure proxy, this is just for configuration purpose only. Nothing will be created, no profile will be created during this process, and once you generate the configuration, the secure proxy configuration only profile can be used with your DMZ security proxy server. So WebSphere portal server has the following components: WebSphere portal server and custom portal profile. Portal server creates a standalone portal profile. Custom portal profile creates an empty node that is used as the basis for creation of federated portal node. So let us understand, these two are the only features for portal. WebSphere portal standalone profile you can create, or you can create a custom portal profile. Whereas if you go to the above slide, you can create in VAS, you can create 5 different type of profiles: cell profile, management profile, application server profile, custom profile, and secure proxy profile. Whereas in portal you have only 2 choices. So now profile template. Profile template is not available to profile management tool until the config engine task enable profiles is enabled in portal. Deployment manager profile. You can create a deployment manager profile by using the two methods: using profile management tool or the manage profiles as command line script. Profile management tool. Start the tool from application server root and select the advanced profile creation, which guides you to enable deployment of the administrative console. Define a name and location of your new profile. Provide values for host name, node name, and cell name. Enable security and provide username, password. Like that you can use manage profiles GUI. How to use the manage profiles command line? The manage profiles command line is the beautiful option wherein you can easily create a profile. This is a script command line script for listing, creating, and deleting profiles. This script is started from app server bin profile management directory. To use manage profile script for profile creation, specify the task, create, and specify the template location. You must provide the long form of DNS hostname of your system, because the intention is to create deployment manager profile for a cell that contains portal, the name of the template, and management is provided. The management of your organization is provided. So the scripting arguments you can pass like this: create is a task name that the script runs, template path where your template is residing, host name, similarly profile name, profile path, cell name, node name, enable admin security. You need to use this enable admin security for enabling your your profile default. If you want to enable security, you should use this command and you should pass the username, admin username, and admin password. So let us go through the checkpoint. A cell can have how many deployment managers? 1, 2, 3. Only one, because if you have more than one deployment manager, then that is 2 cells. So the node agent runs as a primary system application, that is called a file transfer application. That is true. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. further information about WebSphere portal or WAS, watch my other videos. Bye for now.